Hi there.
Wait.
I'm a stoner.
Derelict.
He's a stoner. We call him Gary or something like that.
Mm.
I don't know.
Idiot.
We do this thing called the Rolling Paper Review. We get together, we try a new pack of rolling papers each time, smoking a joint, telling you what we think of the paper itself.
Enforcing our opinion upon you.
That's right, because you're entitled to our opinion.
Yeah. We'll
It's
give
your
it
right.
to you. We will give it to you freely.
Just like we are also entitled to your opinions, so feel free to share them with us.
Yeah.
We were called white trash on one of our videos, and we thanked them.
We like comments.
Do you remember what video that was? 114 was
It
it?
was Futural, I think so.
No, that Futurola one was really good.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I think it was 114.
Anyways.
Anyways, thank you very much. We've been proud trash for, well, a long time, many decades, and we will continue to be trash. However, we choose not to make race a part of it. Shame on you.
Yes.
Race ain't no part of it.
No. But we like comments.
That's right. But thanks for calling us trash. We appreciate it.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are doing El Humo. Why El Arte?
What he said. Because I'm not going to repeat it.
El Grito. Edvard Munch. Rolling Papers.
Yeah, those.
Edvard, yeah, not Edward, Edvard.
Edvard.
Edvard Munch. And it's their take on the screen painting. I rather like that.
Yeah.
A little bit of art with your smoke.
Yeah.
You know what? There's not a lot of information on here, but that being said, this is a vintage pack.
Vintage.
All right, so Paper
Vintage.
del Fumar.
Vintage papers get a little slack.
They do. So, however, there could have been a PO box or some kind of mailing information,
Yeah.
and that's not there, so that loses some points.
And even if not that, it could have had some information about how the paper was made or...
Or even maybe how many papers are in the book.
Yeah.
That's always good to know.
Something.
So, you know, appearance-wise, I'm actually going to give it a pretty good score. I think an 8 really suits it.
Yeah. Once again, being vintage.
Yes.
8. I'll go with 8. 8 works.
Okay. Let's light this thing.
Okay. Don't burn your beard there, old man.
Sniff this.
No, that's not the sniffness. That's just the scent of the pepper. Pepper. Because it's got all kinds of funky language. You can't call it paper. It's a pepper. Cardboard.
Ironically, that's what it tastes like.
Okay, I'm gonna knock the light ash off here.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 10. It smells like cardboard. It's supposed to be odorless, and it is.
Ooh, it's starting to go.
Uh-oh. We've got a runaway.
Run away.
So, this is our first ever sponsorless episode.
Yes, we have no sponsors whatsoever.
We are shopping for a new sponsor. Hopefully,
Yeah.
we'll get back to you soon.
Yeah. If anybody watching this wishes to sponsor us in any way, shape, or form, or wants us to advertise for them, I mean, we don't ask for anything really, because
Yeah.
depending on where you are, there's nothing
And
really we
keep
can
in
do.
mind, our demographics for our statistics are very international.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We are. It sounds kind of corny and weird to say, especially for us, but we are worldwide.
Literally. Every continent.
Yeah. it's kind of amazing.
It's stunning, is
Yeah.
what it is, really.
Yeah.
I'm shocked. People
Yeah.
watch us in Africa. People watch us in Australia, in non-English countries.
Yeah. And you know what? We appreciate all of yous. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you for any
Oh, I
support.
just knocked off the ash, not thinking.
Yeah, see, you're getting all hyped up on all these intercontinental viewers.
International.
Intercontinental.
Yes. All right. Well,
Maybe even interplanetary. We don't know.
so needless to say, we appreciate our viewers from all over the world.
Yes.
Thank you so much, and our subscribers as well as our followers on Twitter and our friends on Facebook. We don't want to leave anybody out.
Well, this thing's starting to run again, but I'm going to do a sniffness.
Okay, I do want to apologize for us being away for a few weeks. It's totally my fault. I haven't been well, but I'm trying to get myself back on track here.
Okay. While my nose is recovering, I rolled it. It rolled beautifully, like any normal wood paper would.
Ash density time. Light
Oh,
shake.
light shake. No
We're
problem.
fine. Had one flake though, I didn't notice. Okay. Medium shake.
Still there.
Still there. Death metal concert. She
Went
fell
at the
off.
end.
She gets a 9.
Yeah. 9 because of the flake. So ash density 9. And roll, like I said, just like any normal wood paper, rolled pretty nicely. So
Yeah.
10. Gum.
Licking sie sticken.
Dicken, Sie Steken. That would be a 10.
Absolutely.
Yeah, burn? Well, it's
Uh,
burning.
I had to do a repair. It's burned very unevenly, so what I would call a severe coke swirl.
Yeah.
Actually, I would even venture to say more like the fucking Pepsi line through the ball.
Pretty much.
Yeah, more dramatic than the coke swirl.
So, yeah. I did do a sniffness. Have you?
Good break.
Make sure you do a good one.
It burns, baby! Oh my god, like my eyes are watering.
That's why I didn't say anything.
Oh my god! How did you not say anything to that?
I did hint. I said, well, my nose is healing. You
I
never
did hear
heard
you
it.
say that. I didn't know why though.
Now you do.
It burns badly.
Like a thick wood paper.
I give it a 3.
But it's not that thick a paper. That's the problem. So the
Ugh.
burn, I don't know where it's coming from, but holy
Murphy.
yeah, it burned.
Yeah, that's a 3. That was horrible.
Okay, so burn. Where are we at burn?
I'd have to say we're probably at about. We had some bad coke swirling. We
Yeah.
had to intervene. I think a 6 is a fair
it's
score.
not doing bad now, though. But yeah,
I think 6 is fair.
in the beginning it was rough.
Yeah. That would be what we call an understatement.
It was like being out on the Bering Sea.
You ain't lying.
Okay, well, Roach is out.
Oh yeah, Roach is absolute. Quantity cost.
Quantity cost.
Okay, unfortunately we're dealing with vintage papers here. Quantity cost is going to fall around 4.
So all we got left is smoothness, which we'll work on because we'll get to the end and we'll see. So far it hasn't been too bad.
Compared to the last time we smoked one of these, it's an improvement.
But it's definitely not as harsh as the sniffness test.
No. No, my nose still burns.
Yeah, I got a bit of burn going still. Yeah. Yes, it took me a bit to hold it back.
Bad. He ain't kidding, like. It hurts.
It hurts.
It hurts your tender nostrils.
It does. Especially since we've had a bit of a hiatus, let's say. We haven't had to do any sniffness tests in a while.
No.
So the first one being a fucking nasty one, that was not fun.
Damn you.
But we do it for you.
Alright, so I know where I'm at for smoothness. It's not a perfect score, but it's not a bad score.
I was going to say, I'm at probably an 8.
That's precisely where I was at. Ooh, excuse me. So as you know, you need to hit 70 points to get the recommendation. Oh, let's see what our accountant has to say. 78 out of 100. That is a recommend if you can find them. So,
Just don't do a sniffness test on them.
no, I would not recommend. So here's the information that's written on the inside of the pack. So you can type that into your search engine to see if you can find them. And it's got, from the famous screen painting, him blowing a smoke ring.
So recommend, folks.
Yeah, and I gotta say, especially when you go out to some kind of a social gathering or something like that, to actually have a book of papers with you that you know nobody else in the room has ever seen.
Nobody can steal them.
It is, well, not just that, but it's kind of, you got a little bit of a cool factor there.
Yeah.
You do. There's a certain bit of cool factor to having something nobody else can get.
Yeah. That's like
So keep that in mind.
like that other episode with the alien papers.
Right?
Yeah. And, well, we've done a few like that. That would be cool to walk into a party with. Yeah. Because you know you're the only one that's going to have them.
You've got a little bit of a cool factor when you've got a pack of rolling papers that nobody's ever seen before.
Yeah.
It's just the way it is. You know, being that I have the vast collection that I have, I run into situations, well, at least I used to anyways, I used to run into situations every now and again in a social gathering where people would be like, wow, I've never seen these before. And all of a sudden, it would give me an opening to start talking about rolling papers and blunt wraps with them.
Yeah.
So, you know, having that rare pack, cool factor.
Yeah. It is cool.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we want to thank you very much for stopping and sharing your medication with us and sharing our medication with you. And we hope we've been informative and informational.
Yeah.
And I hope we've been as trashy as we always are.
Yeah. For sure. So thanks to our viewers,
That's right.
our subscribers, Facebook friends,
Twitter followers.
Yeah, Twitter followers. I was gonna say our sponsors, but we don't
No.
have any.
Sponsor free.
We don't have any. So yeah, our first episode with no sponsors.
That's right. Sponsored by us to you.
Yeah. No, we're sponsored by them. Because
In essence, yeah.
the more of them there is, the better it is for us.
Yeah. Now we work for you.
There you go.
So, this toke's for you.
It's
All right,
for
guys.
us too, but
Yeah. Thanks very much for joining us, and we'll catch you again next time.
yeah, we're out.
Thank you.